Hey there! Did you know that by purchasing a VPS plan at Hostinger, you'll get access to your own personal AI assistant to help you run your server? In this video, I'll cover the basics of how you can use it to maximize your server's potential. Let's get to it. VPS management involves handling various aspects of server administration, maintenance, and optimization. Sometimes it can be difficult to configure technical aspects such as the operating system and security settings, especially if you're a beginner. Well, Hostinger provides the AI Assistant feature in all VPS hosting plans to simplify the server management process. It works well for both newcomers and advanced users to help manage their virtual private server. But before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new Hostinger Academy videos about VPS services or other website development tips. Alright, let's get back to the AI Assistant. To access the tool, log into hPanel, go to your VPS dashboard, and simply find the AI Assistant button located on the left side menu. You'll find this blank page that acts much like a chat room. You can use it to run simple prompts to get suggestions, instructions, or Linux commands for system configuration. The browser terminal button lets you instantly connect your VPS and run commands directly from your web browser. It's a handy tool, especially in cases when you use the AI Assistant to generate commands. To give you concrete ideas on how to work with this tool, let's go over to the prompt examples that you can use. Feel free to pause the video if you want to take a closer look at them. You can also find all of the prompt examples in the Hostinger tutorials article I've linked in the description below the video. Alright, let's check them out. If you want to find information online quickly, simply ask the AI Assistant a question. For example, ask about the best Linux distro to use or how to manage software packages. The first example is about listing VPS operating system options, which will be helpful if you haven't chosen one yet. If you don't have any specific criteria, you can use the AI Assistant to list a general recommendation. Simply type your command and you'll get an overview of the most popular operating systems and their advantages. Once you found out what you're looking for, you can continue the conversation while asking it to help you choose an OS based on your needs. The AI Assistant can cut down the list of Linux distro recommendations. You simply need to state the features you wish to have. Here are several prompt examples that you can use. Try one and you'll get a follow-up answer in the chat window. Once you've decided on an operating system to use on your server, install it on hPanel by following the necessary steps. Find the initial setup configuration by navigating to the OS and panel menu on your VPS dashboard, where you can install your chosen operating system. Those were the tips for choosing your VPS operating system, but however, as you maintain the server, some problems may eventually occur. But worry not, as the AI Assistant will also come to the rescue here too. Okay, before we dive deeper, I want to put a disclaimer that the AI Assistant cannot scan for any errors on your private server. Instead, it can only provide detailed information about your system and give accurate insights for troubleshooting said issues. You can use the tool to prevent further problems by asking it to identify common VPS issues. Use general prompts or specify issue categories like performance or something that is network related. For example, if you want to prevent any connectivity errors on a VPS, use a prompt like, "What are the common causes of connectivity errors on VPS and their solutions?" In case the generated answer isn't clear enough for you, provide a follow-up prompt asking the VPS AI Assistant to explain a specific point in their provided answer. For more general issues, ask the AI to list typical issues for a Linux VPS, or ask what are the best practices for preventing errors in VPS. But what if the error has already occurred? No worries, the AI Assistant can help you in troubleshooting a specific error in VPS as well. Just describe the error messages or symptoms currently happening on your server. The AI will generate actionable solutions to try and fix them. This notably improves the troubleshooting process efficiency as the toolkit quickly compiles multiple possible fixes. If you encounter an error code, always include it in your prompt. Otherwise, describe the symptoms clearly like in these examples. As you can see, the AI tool will give you actionable steps to apply, similar to the example here. The AI Assistant is also helpful in analyzing log data to gain insights into these errors. For better results, use an example like this. Then, ensure that you put your log entries in the prompt since the AI Assistant can't read your system's files. Okay, if you want to check the logs manually, the AI can help by explaining the meaning of an error message or showing said files. Also, note that the AI-powered VPS assistants may require multiple follow-up prompts to generate practical and valuable information. So don't hesitate to keep asking for more details, just like you would chatting with a buddy who just happens to be a system administrator. You can use such practice in other prompts as well, including deploying a service. Deploying applications on VPS can be a bit tricky due to different frameworks, web stacks, and dependencies. Our tool simplifies this process by summarizing the steps and providing the necessary AI-powered VPS commands. Ask the AI to explain the steps on how to set up a hosting environment in your VPS, including how to install web stacks or containers. Here are some example prompts that you can use. Once you've entered the prompt, the AI assistant will provide the steps and commands to install all the required applications, including any dependencies. It will also generate the boilerplate code for your applications if that will be needed. It doesn't stop here, as you can also ask the AI for a guide to automate deployment. Doing so will improve your VPS management efficiency since you can apply changes remotely. In addition, ask general questions if you're unsure how to automate the deployment or which tools to use, like in these prompt examples. If you have the VPS automation tools and set up a pipeline, you can specify them in your prompt. And here's an example. After deployment, use the AI assistant to help scale your hosted applications. To get a general idea of application scaling, you can ask the AI by using prompts like these. Meanwhile, you'll need to write specific prompts if a more actionable guide is required. For example, you can ask it to provide the steps and commands to configure a load balancer to scale Ruby on Rails applications on a CentOS VPS, and you'll get a step-by-step guide as your answer. Simple as that. In addition to setting up the host server, our AI assistant can help you with various front-end tasks as well, including managing your website content, such as designing a page or generating post ideas. Now, let's see how the tool can generate page and website templates. It's beneficial for generating code snippets for front-end web development, including a page template or style sheet. Simply provide detailed descriptions of your web page, like the elements and their placements. And moreover, you can also use these prompt examples to generate a sitemap by describing your website layout. Run the prompt you want, and then you can simply apply the generated answer on your website. Other than that, you can ask the AI to install and set up a content management system. You just need to specify the content management system you want to install and the operating system you use. These are some examples that you can try. Moreover, you can ask for a guide on how to manage your content. For example, enter this prompt to the AI Assistant tool and you'll get a complete set of instructions. AI prompts are also helpful for creating a website and its content. For example, you can input these examples to plan a web page design and gather inspiration. Meanwhile, for content creation, you can try using prompts like these. After building your website, setting it up, creating content, and troubleshooting errors, you can now use the AI assistant to help you find the best way to safeguard your website. AI helps to further enhance your VPS security by guiding you on how to configure your system settings. In addition, it can identify additional security measures or tools for your system. The AI assistant can generate firewall rules specific to your requirements for a more efficient VPS setup. To configure uncomplicated firewall or IP tables, ask the AI to generate these commands using these prompts. As an example, I'll run the first prompt asking AI to generate UFW commands. Give it a few moments to provide complete instructions for you. Next, you can manage users and their privileges with the help of AI. Doing so will greatly improve VPS security by ensuring that only authorized individuals can access your system configuration settings. Ask the AI assistant to generate a command for managing users and their permissions, like explain the steps to create and add a user to a group with full permissions. Also, you can tell the tool to write configuration code for the sudoers file to limit sudo for root user only. The tool will generate the steps and a snippet which you can copy into the sudoers file to change the settings. In addition to configure built-in system settings, you can use the AI assistant to identify additional security measures. Here are several prompt examples for that. After listing the best security practices and software available, enter follow-up prompts to explain how to apply them. Here are some examples. The AI will show you an easy guide to follow and you'll get to secure your website. Managing a VPS can be difficult for users unfamiliar with command line interfaces. Use AI to write commands or scripts and paste them into the terminal. Moreover, you can generate a cheat sheet or even a complete manual. You can generate commands for specific tasks so you don't need to memorize every single detail. Here are some examples. If you need to learn more about a command, you can also ask for a cheat sheet by using these prompts. If you happen to find any commands from another source, ask the AI to explain them to you. The assistant will turn the command into a syntax and explain each parameter. Other than that, the AI assistant lets you check whether a command is written correctly and works as intended. Here are several prompts to try. If the provided command is incorrect, the AI assistant may output the correct version or a guide. For riskier commands, it will warn you about potentially damaging your server. Also, be careful when using commands that require pseudo privileges since they can alter various aspects of your system. In other words, always double check AI generated commands before executing them. The AI assistant can generate a resource management strategy to optimize your web application or website performance. You can also use it to develop optimizing scripts and guides for setting up monitoring tools. However, the AI tool can't directly monitor your VPS performance, so it can generate an actionable guide to optimize your server. Instead, you can ask it to develop server and resource optimization plans. Here are several prompts to use for some brainstorming. By entering the prompt, you'll gain a better idea of how to improve your server optimization. Next, tracking server usage is as important as anything else to ensure consistent and optimal performance. If you need help with how to do so, ask the AI assistant to list tools for monitoring a VPS-hosted website or application performance. To efficiently set up a VPS resource monitoring tool, ask the assistant to generate the steps and commands using these prompts. And lastly, you can integrate VPS automation with AI. Ask the assistant tool to generate such scripts or cron job to schedule various optimization tasks like disk cleanup or cache flushing. To do so, enter one of these prompts. The AI tool will generate instructions that you can follow easily to set such automation. Backup and restoration are instrumental in VPS management to ensure data safety. AI simplifies these tasks by providing procedures, suggestions, and automation scripts. Hostinger provides a weekly automatic backup feature alongside all VPS plans. You will find your files by going to the Snapshots and Backups menu on your VPS dashboard. However, if you need to perform off-site backup and restoration tasks, the AI assistant can be of great help in generating a guide and necessary commands. You can use a general prompt or specify an additional backup method like in these examples. Note that VPS backups have different types, locations, and timing variables. In relation to that, you can ask the AI to plan backup and restoration strategies. Here are the prompt examples to identify the best strategy for your VPS. Lastly, the AI assistant helps simplify automatic system backup tasks, which is a great practice to ensure data safety and redundancy. It also works to prevent file loss during unwanted incidents such as cyber attacks. You can use a general prompt or specify tools and backup methods to be used like in these three examples. Once you have these steps, simply follow along to get the job done. Easy as that. And that's everything I have for you today. What do you think about our VPS AI assistant? Let me know by leaving your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any other topic ideas for us to cover in Hostinger Academy videos, leave them there as well. Of course, like and share the video if you've enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos that we post every single week. Like always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.